Currently we have a level 1 bakery apprentice, Megan Rivers, and Megan actually was an ACET student in the old system at College of the Rockies, and did her regular traditional professional cook apprenticeships and received her red seal through us last year, and incredibly talented, motivated young woman. And she was one of the ones where baking and pastry was her passion, and she just wanted to grow in that realm that much more. So she enrolled in now the bakery apprentice and has completed her level 1 and is going to be doing her level 2 next year. And she does cakes and pastries, creates our new dessert menus, does all kinds of dietary needs, cakes and cupcakes for weddings and you name it, and she is spectacular, and it's just really exciting to see her growth as well and her passion.